Let's look at the song Igama LeNkosi Libongwe abantu Libongwe ngelosi, the song, right? Yeah, and then from there we'll break it down. We're in the key of F sharp, right? Because I noticed that a lot of people that are commenting, actually they are requesting songs to be in F sharp, but otherwise we can do this in any other keys. But for this video, let's focus on breaking the song Igama LeNkosi, or Igama LeNkosi in the key of F sharp, Alikho Igama, right? And then we can take it from anywhere, because I know the song from also Uqcwele has got, a couple of verses. We're not gonna do all of them, but the progression is gonna be the same, right? How you play, the first verse, probably the same how you play the second verse, right? And get into the chorus and all those other parts of the song, so that you are all set when you have to play the song Igama LeNkosi, right? And I'm just thinking where you can take it. Let's take it from Libongwe, Libongwe, abantu Libongwe, elosi Alikho Igama elinjengalo Alikho Igama elinjengalo. And there is this another part as well. It says Uqcwele, Uqcwele. Let's do that as well, and then we'll include it in the song breakdown as well, right? Uqcwele, Uqcwele, uThixo. Now let's get into the song breakdown, right? Yeah, so just get straight into this. Let's do the verse, right? Let's do the verse. The first part that we did when we sing along, Libongwe, or it can even be, this will apply even if when you sing the song, Abayo, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, let me not get carried away. Song is very nice. It's very nice. I just want to sing it. So Abayo, one, right? Then four. LeNkosi. Don't know what, I'll come back to that again. Abaya Sindisa Uyasho Obalo. And I know I might be butchering the lyrics, so please focus more on the notes and what I'm playing, right? Igama. So start from one, then four. And you'll notice with the four, right, instead of playing it, it does not sound the same. It's not giving me the sound that I'm looking for, but because I'm basically playing the four, right? But instead I'm playing the second inversion of it, right? Abayo, 1, 4, 3, and then here I'm playing 1 root note, then I'm playing this passing chord here, right? So passing chord, then I'm going to 2, then 5. Let's do that again. Igama, then 4. LeNkosi. Sharp 1, which is my passing chord. Then 2. I'm just pressing 4, 6, 1, 2, 4, then 5. La la la. I'm repeating the same thing. Repeat the same thing. La kula. Then when you come for the second time, you play this chord here. C sharp minor 6, which is sharp 6, 2, 3, 5. Then B minor 6, sharp 5, 1, 2, 4. Then we go to 5. Again. Let's do that for the last time. Abayo kulegi gameni LeNkosi bayagu sindiswa uyashu. And let's get to the second part, right? This part is done. And let's get to Libongwe. Start from 5, Libongwe. Walk down to 1, 5, Libongwe, 5, and 6. So Libongwe. Libongwe. Wait, something is missing. Libongwe. Yeah, okay, cool. We're not working it down. Yeah, we're going to 2. So Libongwe 5, sharp 1, abantu, then 2, 3, then 4. Libongwe. Then I'm playing C sharp, right? So for the last time, slowly, Libongwe, sharp 1, abantu, Libongwe, 4. Then while I'm still on 4, I'm playing this C sharp, which is basically I'm playing what the notes that I'm pressing is 6, 2, and then sharp 4. Then I'm going to 5, right? So Libongwe, abantu, Libongwe, Ngelosi. Then we walked up. Liku, going to 4. Igama, then 3. Then we close it off. Galo. Let's do that Alikho again, right? We just basically walking up to 4, right? From 1 to 4. Let me play it here, and I'm just gonna be going between 1 and 4, 1 and 4 on my right hand. Alikho Igama. Then back to 3. Then 4, 2, 2. Then 5. Then close it off, go to 5. Then close it off to 1. And then repeat the Alikho Igama. Just play like this. Walk down to 4. Walk up to 4. The same thing. Alikho Igama again. Just walk up. Okay, so let's wrap up this song by going to that part saying Uqcwele, Uqcwele, right? Uthixo okay, I think we'll fetch this from 6, 5, 4, then 5, then close it to 1, right? And that's how you play it. I like to hold down my one note on my left hand, but let's just do it this way, right? 6, then 5. I'm playing the second inversion of 5 there. So second inversion of 6, second inversion of 5, second inversion of 4. So I'm moving in second inversions. So it's just basically 6, 5, then 5. On my right hand I'm playing 1. Then I'm playing 5. Well, again, then 1. Let me play it here. 4. This chord here, these two chords, you'll notice that I'm using them a lot, right? When I go to 5 or any other chords, I'm just using this as passing chords, right? 4, I mean 6, 5, 4, then the C sharp minor 6, which is just sharp 6, 3, 2, 5, then sharp 5 on my right hand to 1, 2, 4, then 5. While I'm playing 1, then I'm playing 5, then I'm closing out to 1, right? Or you can play this way. Instead of going to 6 on my left, on my left hand here, you just hold the note on 1 there, right? And you're gonna walk up, while on the right hand you walk down. You'll see. Let's do this, right? I know that was not smooth. Let's do that again. But if you don't want to walk up, just go straight from 1 to 4, right? Because the timing is very important when you want to walk down from your left hand, right? Right? It's gotta be smooth. But you basically just need to know that you are walking, your go-to chord is 4. Whether, you're gonna, with your left hand, you're gonna go from 6 or you're gonna go from 1. Your go-to chord is 4, right? We are landing, our landing chord is 4. As long as you know that you are good, you can just take from it. We are here on 4, or you can just take it. And this is how you play the song Igama LeNkosi, in the key of F sharp.